Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Prince Obiefule and this is Igbo Made Easy. So, na class I'll be answering a question, taking a request from Omenka Helen. Omenka Helen left a comment in the video I did concerning EK versus EK, and she said Biko is please. Biko, can you make a video on all the pronunciations of Akwa and their meaning? Yes, I will. And this is a very interesting video request because Igbo is a tonal language and tone can change the meaning of a word. And that is why I'm very partial with people who want to speak Igbo with this British or foreign tongue, something. So you just want to say Akwa, 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 and all of that. Once you do that, you've said something, and you're likely going to say one of the other things that you did not intend to say. And this reminds me of a song my cousin used to sing to us when we were little. It made use of these three words: clothe, egg, and cry. And the song goes this way: Atụrụ nwunye di m akwa, akwa. Ya zụtara m akwa o. Egg. Akwa apụ m n'ọnụ. Cry. O nwunye di m, ọ bụ na ịnụ ihe m tụrụ gị? Ezigbo nwunye di m eweliwe. Mistake eje eme. And that simply means I asked my sister-in-law to buy clothes for me, and she ended up buying me eggs. And tears fell off my mouth. Just as tears are falling off my mouth, the pen has taken light. So now we'll just go over the words very quickly and the sound that you make with them. The song said, I sent my sister-in-law to buy me clothes, and she went on to buy me eggs. As a result, I cried, oh, my sister-in-law, did you not hear what I asked you to buy? And she said, my good sister-in-law, don't be offended. Mistakes are made. You understand? So now, but this is a costly mistake. I asked you to buy me clothes and you went on to buy me eggs, and as a result, I cried. So when you remember it this way, you remember clothes, remember egg, and you remember cry. Akwa. This is aqua. Clothes. Aqua. Atụrụ m nwunye di m akwa. I asked my sister-in-law to buy me clothes. So aqua. Ya zụtara m akwa o. She bought me eggs. Aqua, 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 aqua apụ m n'ọnụ. This one is aqua, 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 aqua. If you notice, the endings sound alike, but the beginnings sound different. They are different. If you listen carefully, you'll be able to pick it. Aqua, aqua. What am I saying? Aqua, aqua, this. Aqua, this. You see. Then there is aqua, aqua, aqua. Aqua is bed in Igbo, and aqua is also bridge. For example, I can say, anyị na-arahụ n'otu akwa. Anyị na-arahụkọta n'otu akwa. That is, we sleep together on the same bed. Anyị na-arahụ na otu akwa. Anyị na-arahụ n'otu akwa. We sleep on one bed or on the same bed. So aqua is bed, and aqua is also bridge. So it contrasts with this. It's high tone, while it's low tone, while this is high tone. I should be doing low tone this way. So it's low tone, while this is high tone. So aqua contrasts with aqua, 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 Akwa. Akwa, aqua. So aqua is bed, aqua is cry. And cry in the sense of the sound that is made. You say, I heard a cry. You know, it's not like a verb when you tell somebody, cry, cry, go ahead and cry. So you can't tell somebody, aqua, aqua, or aqua, aqua, aqua. No, no. Is if you say to cry is ibe aqua, ibe aqua. So ibe aqua is to cry. And if you want to tell somebody cry, you say be aqua. You remove the I, you take out the I, you just take out the I and you have be. Be aqua. Be aqua is cry. You know, it doesn't what I'm saying. And be aqua, you know, cry. You know, and don't tell someone to cry unless it's a joke. Who wants to cry? No. So you have clothes, aqua, egg, aqua, cry, aqua, bridge, bed, aqua. I'll take it again. Clothes, aqua, egg, aqua, cry, aqua, bridge, bed, aqua. So aqua, 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 aqua. Then you have aqua. Think of aqua, 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 aqua. The a is what is different between this, the first syllables. So these different shades are the way the word, wherever you see this, is either going to mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are not going to be marked. You know, we rarely mark the tones when we are writing, but the context will help you understand what is being written. And if it's being spoken, the sound, the mark is going to be there. The tone, the pitch, the combination of high and low will let you know, and it's just best for you to master it. Now we've gone through this, and I hope you are able to make more meaning of the subtle differences in this word. And I hope it was able to answer your question, Helen, and every one of you learning the Igbo language. And I hope it helps you understand the importance of tone in Igbo language and why you need to work on your pronunciations. We are going to have a series on tonal drill. We're going to have a series on tonal drill, and when we begin that series, to begin from the foundation, which is the Igbo alphabet, because the Igbo words have one sound. Anywhere you see R is going to be R. Anywhere you see A is going to be R. It's not going to have another sound, and that's one beautiful thing about the Igbo language. So we're going to explore pronunciation starting from the Igbo alphabet, and we will work our way up. T made a comment asking for more lessons on the Igbo alphabet, and it's something I've not touched because I just wanted to start us up with some form of Igbo that we can speak, so we gain a kind of confidence before we start working on the details. So now you're happy with yourself, you're making a little progress, you can say some things, you can greet, you can, you know, say a few words and phrases, and you can build from that. So you have enough patience now to start learning more step by step from the alphabets and those things that are important in pronunciation. And like I promised in the beginning of the channel, I said we're not going to major on the junks. There are things you don't need in speaking the Igbo language, so we're not going to major on those at all. We're just going to focus on what's important and what you need, and those are the things that will be coming to you in this step by step. So I'm going to be doing more videos with my board, so the board has come to stay. Thank you for staying with me on Igbo Medicine, and please subscribe, and spread the word. Tell people about this channel. If it's helpful to you, it could be helpful to someone in your contact. Just spread the word, So thank you for being a part of my channel today. My name is Prince Chibuike Obiekule, and this is Igbo Made Easy. Recording. Okay. In the next video, we're going to be taking attention words, getting attention.